Hey guys, it's Brock here from Walkaround RVs. Just wanted to inform you that we've recently dropped the price down on this beautiful unit, the Spartan toy hauler. Originally we were selling it for $59,911 and we've recently dropped it to $50,999. Huge price drop for such a beautiful unit. I'll show off some of the features for you. So out here, if you enjoy dirt biking, four-wheeling, things of those natures, I got a ton of buddies who do, and the one thing that they complain about in their toy haulers is the fact that they don't have an onboard fuel system. This is going to have a built-in gas tank for you, and you'll be able to just fill up all your toys just right out of the unit. Makes it really convenient. You don't have to run over the gas station. As well as we go down it, it's got a ladder feature, easy access to the roof, just in case you want to be doing any resealing or any sort of work on it. It's a super easy access right there. It's already prepped with the backup camera, and then as well, this back door comes right down, and it's used as a ramp to actually load all of your toys into it. So as we've made our way to the front of the unit here, I can show off two more absolutely amazing features that it has. First one is going to be this extremely large pass-through storage. Just opens up. You want to be able to put any sort of barbecues, anything like that you're bringing with you. It just really opens up the space for it. And then as well, the really cool part is when we get to the front here, it's pretty rare in these units, is that it comes onboarded with a Cummins generator, a 5500 Onan generator, which is going to be super nice if you're boondocking, not going to be hooked up to a power supply. You'll be able to run everything just right off that generator itself. So that's going to be really convenient if you're heading over to the track, heading over to Mossport, and you just don't have a power site. As we make our way to the main living area here, you can see that we have a couch for 4 people, huge couch. The two end sides will recline out as well, just give yourself a little bit more comfortable with the seating. As well, we have nice counter space with built-in sink covers that actually open it up and give you a ton of more room to cook, clean on, things of those nature. And then over here, we have a 3-burner stove and then a full oven underneath. Microwave that's going to run off your electricity there. We're going to have a fridge that's going to run off both propane and electric. So if you're going to be boondock camping at all, it's very nice. You're going to be able to keep your food nice and cold. And then as well a freezer above it. Tons of cabinetry for all your storage, pots, pans, food, you name it, you can store it there. A nice walk-in pantry as well too. Just opens it up, gives you a lot more storage to go with it. And then on my right here, we have our entertainment system. The built-in stereo, Bluetooth, it can connect by Bluetooth or aux or by USB-C, which is very nice in today's age of technology. You can just plug and play. And then a nice TV as well. That's going to be strapped in while you're driving, so you don't have to worry about it falling around and falling out of the unit. As we make our way up the unit, we're going to get to our main bathroom here. In your main bathroom, it's going to contain a seat in your shower, nice large cabinet, nice large counter space for your sink, a nice flush toilet, and then a nice mirror to be able to check out, as well as tons of storage space. As well with the skylight built into the shower to be able to open up some of that natural lighting. So as we make our way into the master bedroom here, you're going to see that we're going to have a queen-size bed with storage underneath. This option offers a lot of options there for putting clothes, bags, luggage, anything along those lines. If you're on gas props, it'll be super easy to open up. A slide out containing your closet there. So what I mean by that is that this would come in when the unit's closed, and then when you actually open it up, you'd extend the slide, opens up a ton of space in the bedroom. As well, you're going to have your 2 receptacles on either side, be able to plug in and play, and then tons of storage underneath the unit as well too, and in all the cabinets surrounding it. Overall, it's a beautiful bedroom with TV hookup right here on your right. So it'll suit all your needs. So as we've made our way into the actual garage part of the toy hauler, as you can see, we got a queen-size bed right here, and then 2 foldable couches. These couches would then connect together, as you can see in the following, and fold down and become a bed unit, where then you can sleep comfortably up to 4 people back here. And they're on a system where that they get lifted up so that you can fit your dirt bikes, your ATVs, your snowmobiles, all right here comfortably. And then as you would need to, you would just lower the beds back down and take your toys outside. As well, we have a nice half bath back here for the guests and the people sleeping back here, so they don't need to be running back and forth through the whole trailer. Hey guys, Brock from Walkaround RV again. Thank you very much for your time watching the video and the breakdown on this beautiful unit that we have. If you guys have any questions or interest, feel free to call at any time. We'd be happy to help you. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Hey guys.